Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is my Walgreens haul for the week of May 22nd through to the 28th. So, as you know, I don't really mess with Walgreens, but I try to do small deals, just to test the waters out because, Walgreens can be a whole mess. So, and it was indeed a mess this morning. So, the Colgate, these little ones here, this is the 4.66 ounce Colgate 2-in-1 toothpaste. This is a $2.99. When you buy two, you get a $3 register reward. This Optic White and also the, what's the other one? Total. Be careful because they are $3.99 each, and when you buy two, you earn $4 in Walgreens cash. The Garnier Fructis, they're 2 for $7. When you buy two, you get a $4 register reward. The whole blends are just 2 for $7. There's no register reward. So I was working with a spend 25, earn $6 in Walgreens cash. So that's the reason why I picked up the whole blends. Now if you go into your Walgreens app, there is a $3 digital for the whole blends. Don't use that. Don't clip that to your account. If you have it clipped, unclip it. Only if you're following the exact deal that I did. So I think it's in today's inserts. There is a $4 coupon. Use that instead of the $3. So yeah, this subtotal $27.96. I had a 4 off a 2 digital for this Colgate. I had a 3 off a 2 digital for this. I had a 3 off 2 digital for this and a 4 off 2 paper for this. Now, the 3 off a 2 digital came off of this. The 3 off a 2 digital came off of this. The $4 off 2 paper, that was applied, but the 4 off a 2 digital for the Colgate would not come off. I opened the app, show it to the cashier. She saw that it was clipped, but it would not come off for dear life. So I said, okay, I'm still gonna get the product. She was telling me to do it separately. I said, no, I'm not doing it separately because I'm trying to spend 25, get a $6 in Walgreens cash. So what I said I'll do, the $4 will not come off. So I said, okay, I'll still pay for this product. Then I would have to call corporate and have them put the $4 on my account. So let me show you guys the first receipt. And this receipt is so pale. So, okay, so you could see the Fructis, they're 2 for $7. The Colgate, these are the ones for $2.99 each. It is so pale. There you have the other Colgate, $3.99 each. Then you have the whole blends, 2 for $7. There you go. Now, this $4, that's for the whole blends. Those two $3, one for the Fructis and one for the Colgate. As I mentioned, the $4 off for the Colgate did not apply. So $17.96 subtotal. Because I was doing the spend deal, I could not pay with Walgreens cash. Because as you could see, I started out with $109.45 in Walgreens cash, and I earned $10.27. So $6 is for the spend 25, get 10, get 5, and the other 4 is the $4 Walgreens cash when you buy the 2 Colgate at $3.99 each. So as I said, I paid the $17.96, which should have been $13.96. Because that $4 did not come off, I paid the $17.96. Then the register reward, I'm supposed to get a $4 register reward for doing this Fructis, and I'm supposed to get a $3 register reward for doing this Colgate. Nothing printed. When the cashier opened that little machine, it was out of paper. Then she was like, okay, I'm going to get the paper, put it in. That way it will, you know, think and print the register reward. She looked at the back of the little machine. It was unplugged. This is what I believe they're doing. They're unplugging these machines so that the register rewards don't print. And then when you turn your back, they plug it back in and whoop, those register rewards print and they take it. That's what I'm thinking. Okay? Anywhomes, she plugged the machine in without putting the paper in. Once she plugged it in, it started making that noise like it's printing, but remember there's no paper in. So when she did got the paper and put the paper in, she was expecting it to print. I'm like, ma'am, what you should have done is to put that paper in and then plug it back in. That way the register reward would print. But because she didn't do it, it didn't print. So what the manager did, here it is. She put $7 on my account. So I was at $119. There's a $7. Now I'm at $126.72. So as I said, the $4 did not come off of this. So I just spoke to corporate and they put the $4 on. So I'm up to $130.72. So this transaction, when you check everything out, it was free. Free. I am so excited. This was absolutely free because when you think about it, $17.96, I would say $13.96 because I got the $4 back. So $13.96 out of pocket. And I got $17 back, which means it was free plus a $4 money maker. Yes, free plus a $4 money maker. So guys, if you have these digitals on your account and you want to do this deal, if you have that spend deal, get the Colgate. But as I said, be careful because this digital is not applying. But no worries, you could call corporate and they will fix it for you. All right. With that being said, guys, take care and I'll catch you guys in another video. I just uploaded my CVS video. So if you guys have not checked that out, please do. It's already on my YouTube page. Take care. See you next week. Bye.